Hello friends, let's find the derivative of f of x equals the cube root of x plus the square root of x to the power of 4. So how can we do this? One thing, if you want to find the derivative of a function like this, one of the things you want to do is you want to write each of the term in the form x to the power of something, x to the power of something. And this term also has x to the power of something. And why do I want to do this? So that I can apply the power rule. So what I'm going to do is that just by the side, I'm just going to do a quick recap of the power rule. So if I have f of x is equal to x to the power of n, my f prime of x, the derivative is just going to be n x to the power of n minus 1. So I'm just going to bring the power down, and then I'm going to subtract 1 from the power. So that's the recap. So now, going back to our question, I want to rewrite this, I want to rewrite the given function such that I have it in the form of x to the power of something plus x to the power of something. So that's the goal. So now I'm going to write my f of x, which is equal to the cube root of x, I'm going to rewrite it as, so this is just the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 3, right? And recall that the square root of x is the same thing as x to the power of 1/2. The square root of a is the same thing as a to the power of 1/2. So the square root of x to the power of 4 is going to be x to the power of 4 to the power of 1/2, right? Now I can simplify the second term, this term here. I can simplify this. So this is just going to be equal to x to the power of 1/3 plus x to the power of 2, because 2 divided by 4 is going to be 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so now I rewrote my function in a simpler term, in a way that I can easily apply the power rule. I can easily apply this rule here, right? The power rule, x to the power of something. So now I'm going to apply the power rule. So my derivative is denoted as f prime of x. It's just going to be, so using the power rule, so if I have this x to the n here, so if I apply the power rule, I bring down, and my n here is just going to be 1 over 3, right? So if I bring down the n, which is 1 over 3, I'm going to have 1 over 3. Then I'm going to subtract 1 from the power, 1 over 3 minus 1, plus I'm going to apply the same thing to x squared, right? I'm going to bring down the power 2, then I have 2 minus 1. So so this is just going to be 1 over 3 x to the power of, instead of writing 1, this 1 here, 1 over 3 minus 1, I can rewrite that as 3 over 3 to easily simplify that fraction there. So this is just going to be negative 2 over 3 plus 2x to the power of 1. And that will be the derivative for that function. Hope this helps. Thank you.